Friends, I have been bestowed upon to organize the 29th POSICON Pediatric Orthopedic Society of India Annual Conference at Bhubaneswar, Temple City of Orissa. Orissa has a rich heritage, and my organizing team along with the scientific team trying their best to make it a great scientific show. I invite you all to attend this conference in large numbers to make it a success.
There's something exceptional about Odisha. For thousands of years, it has kept alive its legacy of eternal wisdom. To learn its secrets of endurance, all you need to do is explore it. With Odisha, you don't just travel, you make a journey across eternity. Here, intimate conversations with nature make you belong to the cycle of life. There's so much to satiate our senses, so much to learn from being alive. There's something inspiring about Odisha. From the sea to the lake, at every step, nature unfolds its countless secrets and welcomes you to enjoy its harmony. Here, you can choose to merge with the rhythm of colors. There's nothing more engaging than connecting with the myriad expressions of art that tell the story of human dreams and desires handed down by generations. There's something for everyone. Here, you realize the real answers of life. Come, find Odisha. We are ready to become your journey of life.
The theme of POSICON 2023 is Challenges in Pediatric Orthopedics, Past, Present and Future. A galaxy of the national and international speakers will be attending this POSICON 2023 to teach us, to train us and to share their experience with the delegates. We assure you all a real academic feast during POSICON 2023, which will go a long way in the memories of all attending delegates. I am looking forward to welcome you all to the Temple City of Bhubaneswar during POSICON 2023.
This year an interactive and interesting scientific program including workshop is planned with deep interactive discussion and debates on the controversies and dilemmas in the practical learning tips and tricks directly from the masters and mentors.